mis amigos. Buenos tardes. Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got some fun news. We bought something. It's a brand new 10 by 16 lofted garden shed. Just delivered today. Looks pretty good too. This was one they had on the lot. They come and drop it off, and it actually matches the color of the house pretty good, I think. So it worked out perfect. So let's have a look-see. We got the double doors with our latches. It's got a nice little diamond plate seal here, seal plate. Got a couple windows on this side. It's got the 16 stud spacing, and then the, whatever you want to call it, the rafters, I guess, or the trusses are 24-inch spacing. And then it's got a loft up here with 2x6 joists, and a loft over here with the same. So the first order of business for this, we're gonna turn this into my little workshop slash hangout, whatever you want to call it. And my first order of business is going to be to finish this loft. So that's going to be the first order of business. And then also I want to run some kind of electric through here. So I'm going to run some electric and put some outlets, like one outlet on each wall, and a couple of lights. I do want to insulate it, hopefully get around to insulating it, and maybe put some paneling up to kind of finish it. But I think that's going to be down the road. This will just be a ongoing project, and I just thought I'd let you guys in on it a little bit. Should be pretty interesting. Anyway, guys, that's all I was going to do today, was a little video on the new shed. We're just about to the point where our baby chickens are just about done. They're floating away from the house a little too far, really. I think it's just about time for them to start staying in. So I'll show you over here too. So also I took some extra plastic I had, put it over top of the chicken coop here so they can stay out of the rain, and it's already got a piece of metal on the other side, so it's real janky looking, but it works. And then over here I have separated out by putting chicken wire. It's kind of hard to tell, but put chicken wire all down the side here to section this off, and then it's connected to the smaller chicken coop, and I open that door up, and so now when they do get to the point where mom's done with them, I can put all the baby chicks in here in the little coop, and they'll have this decent size run that they can walk around in, at least have some space. Chickies! My son let the baby chickens, let all the big chickens out today while my wife wasn't looking. I don't know if I showed you guys this, but I also made a little outdoor string lights system out here. I ran a cable around the deck and then put some string lights up there. It really looks cool at night. My wife wanted that. We still getting pretty cold temperatures, but everything's alive. As you can see, these things got a little bit frostbitten, I think, but I think they're gonna be all right. They're gonna recover. And then we've got sunflowers all sprouting up. So the sunflowers are all sprouting, and now we've got all these, I can't remember what these are. I think they're radish. I'd have to go back and look at my video. I can't remember. But we just sprinkled the seeds in there, and freaking every one of them just popped up. So that's pretty crazy. Then we got a little something popping up there. I think that's the squash. And then our strawberries are doing really good. I really need to water them, I guess. I thought it was gonna rain today. And our tomato in the bucket's not doing too good for whatever reason. But we'll just have to wait and see. Get it watered again, I guess. And then our potatoes, I don't know. Our potatoes are starting to pop up. I think that's a potato. Yeah, that's definitely a potato. So our potatoes are starting to pop up. So we got some growth going for sure. So that's nice. So everything's doing good, and I got some sycamore trees here I might plant somewhere in the backyard. So the garden's doing good, doing all right so far. So we'll just have to keep up with it and see. Here's Bella. 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 Also, something really neat that I put up is this screen for my garage that works really well. Velcro's on around here, and has a zipper in the middle. And so now I can open up the garage door without getting the bugs in there. And I can also, without letting the cats out, they can get some fresh air. You see the babies running around the yard. They're getting close to the road now. They're getting all the way out there, so mama should be laying eggs anytime now. So that's gonna be it for this one, guys. I just thought I'd give you guys a little update on some of the stuff that's going on, and how the plants and chickens are doing, and our new shed project. So anyway, if you guys like this stuff, please like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, thanks for watching.